Hi, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ahmed. I'm a web analyst with more than 4 years of experience in web analytics. I specialized in helping non-technical users master web analytics. As I was a non-technical user, I didn't study any programming language growing up or in university. I was a business administration student, in fact. So yeah, I know how complicated and how hard it can get, especially if you're coming from a non-technical background. In this channel, we discuss tools like Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, Looker Studio, and many more. Also, how to use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude in web analytics that can accelerate your day-to-day job activities and more. So yeah, if that sounds interesting, you can hit the subscribe button and check out my videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon.